How to create a new Fedex account. Let's get started with the video. To start off, open the Fedex mobile app on your device. Next, tap on the sign up button on the home screen. Now you will be asked to fill in your personal and contact information. Start by entering your first name, then type in your surname. Now enter your address. Additionally, enter your mobile number for account verification. Lastly, add your email address to receive account updates. Once all the required details are filled in, hit the continue button to move forward. Moreover, create a user ID. However, if you want to use email as user ID, toggle the switch to on position. Furthermore, create a password for your new account. Lastly, agree to the terms and policies. Finally, hit the sign up button. And that's it. I hope this video helped.